Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa sign na Capricorn with the earth elements. Lola baby po. Bigyan ko kayo ng reading para sa buwan ng Hunyo. Okay. So ito is timeless ha. Sandali lang at ayaw ko lang na reverse yan. Pina-check. So tingnan natin energy saan po tayo dadalhin na saang areas ng buhay nyo. Saan ito may kinalaman? Sa health ba ito? Sa pamamera, relationship, family, love, romance, children, health, society, career, career ninyo, yan, okay. So, meron ditong tinatawag na the Six of Cups. Okay? So, anong ibig nito? Anong ibig sabihin ng the Six of Cups? So, it's something to do about you and others. Okay? Maaari ito sabihin na natin, it has something to do about your work. Diba? It has something to do about your money and their money. It's like tinatawag, maaring naka-invest ka dito, di ba? Maaring dito nakahalo, okay? Yung tinatawag na pamemera nyo, okay? Maybe it has something to do about your marriage, okay? Maybe it has something to do about yourself, di ba? Maybe surrendering. Maybe you want to surrender something in your life. Yan, para sa mga Capricorn. Maybe you have a calling, di ba? It's like going to a different path, direction, okay? From Six of Cups to the Seven of Cups, yan, ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, for some of you, ang nakikita ko dito is, you want to, it's more about unity, okay? Maybe sabihin na natin maybe you are single, okay? And you are longing for someone, okay? Na dito yung tinatawag, siguro gusto mo ng company, di ba? Maaring dito you are looking for a love, relationship, marriage, sex, di ba? That's between man and woman, okay? Whatever is this. Maybe for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, it's time na, okay? Ibig sabihin para gumawa na ng pamilya, okay? Maybe for some of you, sabihin na natin you're already in a relationship, pero kumbaga dito, maaring sabihin natin hindi pa kayo nagpapakasal, okay? Or maaring kasal na kayo pero wala pa kayong children, okay? What's missing? It's like tinatawag, there is something missing in your life na gusto ninyong mapunuan. Okay? Salamat ng marami. Para sa mga mahal na Capricorn, nagpapakilala, Lola Baby. Kung kayo po is bago sa aking channel, isang like, subscribes, and share lang po. Yan na. General reading po ito. Ito po is not a personal reading. Okay? It's a general reading. So, yan naayos ko lang para magkasya. Okay? So, meron tayo dito tinatawag na the 10. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The 10. Okay? Sandali siya ay microphone. The 10 of Pentacles. Yan, okay? So, it has something to do about your, nakikita ko dito, it has something to do about your work. Okay? Your relationship with others. Yan, okay? Yan. So, it has something to do about your self-value, di ba? Maybe how you value yourself, how you see yourself to others. Yun na nakikita ko since this is only an energy. So, naririto yung tinatawag na the Two of Cups. It has something to do about relationship, okay? So, maybe for some of you, you want to build a relationship with someone, okay? It's more about tinatawag na maybe kailangan maging legal. Whatever is this, kasi narito ang the 6 to the 7 of Cups and narito ang tinatawag 10 of Pentacles. So, it's like tinatawag na you prefer tinatawag the legality of this partnership, of this relationship, black and white, di ba? So, maaaring dito gagawa ng tinatawag contracts. Okay, yan na nakikita ko for you. General reading po, this is not a personal reading. So, naririto yung tinatawag na the four, okay? The four of wands. So, meaning to say, it's more about higher, okay? Higher mind, di ba? Yan. So, maaaring ito yung tinatawag na meeting, okay? Meeting a higher people with authority. Di ba? It's like tinatawag na para malegalize, di ba? Para lalong maging stronger ang tinatawag na ito, the Two of Cups, di ba? So, it's between you. It's like black and white. It's like tinatawag, hindi dito pwedeng magkaroon ng dayaan, di ba? It's like whatever's written in the document, di ba? In the paper, it should be tinatawag na legalized, okay? With the stamp, with the people with higher authority, okay? So, sandali lang, ha? So, ito yung tinatawag na I think it has something to do about your career, okay? Ibig sabihin, it has something to do about your profession, yan. So, ito yung mga Capricorn na matatalino. Maybe sabihin na natin kontrata, okay? Maaring sabihin na natin you will sign for a contract. It's a lifetime contract. It has something to do about your tinatawag stability, your future, your ibig sabihin nito, makakaipon ka na ng pera, okay? So, gagamit ako ng ibang tarot. Yan, okay? So, it's more about binding, okay? To make this relationship stronger, okay? Love relationship man yan, career, profession, di ba? Para dito yung tinatawag malegalize, okay? So, meron dito, okay? Tinatawag na as above, so below, okay? Yan, ibig sabihin nito, kailangan ito'y malegalize, whatever is this. There's something to do about relationship, partnership, okay? It's like tinatawag between you and people with high authority, okay? So, ibig sabihin yun, okay? So, meron dito, okay? Whatever is this, tinatawag na the Knight of Swords. Sandali lang, titingnan ko lang, ha? What is that? Kahit ko confirm ko lang, okay? So, there is, okay? It's like, nakikita ko dito may magbabalik. Yan, may magbabalik sa inyong buhay. Yan, ha? Dahil narito yung tinatawag the Ten of Cups. Yan, okay? So, nakikita ko dito siguro ito yung relationship, di ba? Relationship, yan, ha? It's a relationship. It's meron darating. Yan, no? You will be summoned. Yan. It's like siguro ito magbabalik. There is a rainbow, okay? Kaya dito narito ang the magician, di ba? Okay? Maybe destined na maging kayo talaga, di ba? Okay? So there is a relationship, more love and relationship, okay? Love and romance. So ano ito, tinatawag na the Ace of Pentacles, okay? It's like you are talking, okay? Maybe you are talking, kung sino man itong kausap ninyo, siguro kasamahan mo sa trabaho, yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na kampante ka sa kanya, di ba? It's like you can tell what you want, di ba dito? Maybe it's a partnering or kung ano man yan, di ba, na ibig sabihin maganda, magmamaterialize. Maybe you are talking about, or sila, di ba? Maaring sila, either kayo na lang mag-fit, okay? Maaring ikaw or sila. Ibig sabihin nito, may iniaalok, okay, na maganda ang outcome, okay? So, kung kaya nga narito yung tinatawag the magician, di ba? Mangyayari, kailangan mangyari man or whatever, it's like tinatawag, kailangan bumaba ang kamay, okay? Kailangan magkaroon dito ng tinatawag partnership, di ba? It's like, pareho kayong pumasok, di ba? So, meron ditong tinatawag na, sandali lang, okay? The tree, okay, oh. What is this, okay? The tree of The three of the Empress, okay? The Empress ito, okay? It's the Venus, okay? So, ano nakikita ko dito? Yan ha. It's about, sabihin na natin, ito'y partnership, okay? It has something to do about you. Maaring dito sabihin na natin, attracted sila sa iyo, okay? Yan. It's like kung ano ang you are capable of. Yan. It's about your what you possess, what you it's about sabihin na natin ano yung iyong tinatawag na kakayahan, di ba? Your charm, your beauty. Very very attractive din. Okay? Kaya narin ang The Magician. Okay? It's like siguro kailangan mag-decide ka. Okay? Yan. So, it's more about sandali lang ha. May nakita lang ako dito. Yan. Kung ito yung tinatawag na The Empress, dahil ito nakita mo magkayakap, ano? So it's more about a love romance. So nakikita ko dito ay pangungulila. Sino ang nangungulila? Okay, ikaw o siya. It's like tinatawag, may bumalik. May bumalik kasi di ba? So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, ito yung maaring ito yung tinatawag na bubuo ng isang relationship. Yun ang nakikita ko. Kasi narinig ang the Two of Cups. Yan ha. Okay. So maaring sabihin natin magse-settle down na sila, di ba? Okay. So it's more about work itong nakikita ko dito. Okay? It's like tinatawag convincing, di ba? So it's like tinatawag kung ano yung meron ka, okay? Na very very attracted sila sa inyo, okay? Yan. So for some of you, yan okay? It's about ano ito? It's the eight of ano ito? Your strength, di ba? Yan. With the number 8. It's about your strength, yan. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, romantiko. It's like you're very, very romantic. It's like tinatawag na maaring ito na, okay? Yung tinatawag na magpapaligaya sa buhay mo. Either kasi meron ditong pangangailangan, di ba? So it's more about sex. Ibig sabihin, a man and a woman. Okay? So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, sino ito? Maybe ito ang nagpapaligaya sa buhay mo. Natagpuan mo na siguro yung tinatawag na soulmate. Okay? So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na palalaguin. They want this relationship to grow. Yan na, kaya narito ang Magician and the Empress. They want this relationship na mag-grow. It's like an everlasting love. Okay? They want to create this. Okay? Kaya narito ang The Magician. Okay? So, another card. Para sa mga Capricorn. Okay? So, meron dito. Okay? It's energy of the Taurus, the Virgo, and the Capricorn. Okay? So, whatever is this, it's like maybe, ang nakikita ko dito, maybe it's a partnership you have to take. Okay? Maybe you have to consider. Yan na. Dito, kung ano man itong ina-approach sa inyo. Okay? It's like you have to study it first, yan. Huwag pabigla-bigla, okay? Before you create, before you say yes, okay? Before you take an action, ibig sabihin ito pag-aralan, okay? So for some of you, it's about tinatawag na, maybe ito yung tinatawag na you want this love, okay, this relationship na mag-prosper. Yan, okay? So, maaring for some of you, what you are, kung ano itong tinatawag na gusto mong planuhin, gusto mong gawin. Kasi, kumbaga nakikita dito, you want this relationship to prosper, di ba? So, whatever is this, it's more about responsibilities, di ba? Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag mag-i-invest. You want to invest. Okay? Nakikita ko dito, you want to invest sa tinatawag na love relationship na ito. Yan, okay? So, kung ito na may pagkakaperahan, ibig sabihin, very tempting, you want to invest to. Okay? So, yan. It's like, you are fit. Okay, nakikita ko lang dito, you are fit. Whatever is this, you are fit to this. Yan ha. You are very, very fit. Kasi dito, sa tinatawag, the 4 of Wands. Yan, okay? So, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na siguro iyo mo ng pag-aaralan. Di ba? Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na, yan, tinatawag na you want to, ano tawag dito, ang iyong pag-iisip, di ba? Okay? Culminate, okay? Culminate, mind culmination, nakikita ko dito. Okay, yan. Maybe you are praying, pwede rin, di ba? Kaya nagpapahinga lang, o bumubuo ka. While, ibig sabihin nito, habang ito'y nasa harap mo, maybe pinag-iisipan mong mabuti. Let's say strategy, di ba? Maybe it's a contract, pinag-aaralan mo maigi. Okay? So, nakikita naman dito, yan. Kung ano ito, ha? Okay. It's a Ace of Swords. Merong action. It seems there is an action, okay? Ibig sabihin, you will take this action. Kasi dito na, di ba? It's like there is a movement na. Yan, ha? Okay. Ito yung tinatawag na the magician, okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag siguro papasok ka na dito sa tinatawag na partnership, relationship. It has something to do about profession, work, di ba? Papasok ka na. Yan, kasi narito na. Or if it is a love relationship, since narito ang tinatawag na the Ten of Cups, di ba? From the Six of Cups to the Seven of Cups to the Ten of Cups, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag maybe a consultation from the elders, di ba? Yan, maybe a consultation from the elders about this preparation, kung ano itong pinagbabalakan ninyo, okay? Kung kaya dito, yan, you will get advice. Maybe you will seek for an advice from the elders, okay? Before you decide, okay? Be it love romance or tinatawag profession, yan. So, for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, narito ang tinatawag na the moon, okay? So, for some of you, nakaka-experience, it's like nakaka-experience ng tinatawag na a longing, di ba? Longing. Nakikita ko lang dito, longing. Let's say, sabihin na natin, it's about your personal needs, di ba? A longing dito, yan. Dito nakikita, ha? Yan. So, dito lang. Siguro, kaya ibig sabihin nito, narito ang the magician para sabihin na natin magkaroon na saysay ang buhay mo. It's like you want to spend your life with someone, di ba? Or sabihin na ayun na nakikita ko lang, di ba? Okay. So it's about security. Maybe for some of you, it's about your sabihin na natin your money, security, your work, di ba? Your future, di ba? Maybe for some of you, you are thinking about your future, di ba? It's like my future is bleak. My future is tinatawag kailangan magkaroon ng direction. Kaya lumabas ang tinatawag na the Chariot. So the Chariot is more about tinatawag na yan dito ha. Dito po. Yan ha. Sandali, yan. The Two of Cups. Okay? So, nakikita dito. It's about, sabihin na natin, for some of you, you will be dealing with someone. Okay? Kumbaga dito, sandali lang. You are dealing with someone with authority. Okay? It can be your mother, it can be your boss, it can be someone. Okay? Maybe, kasi naman ito, it's like tinatawag, nahihirapan kang makisama. Okay? It's delaying. It's like tinatawag, it affects, okay? Hindi ka, let's say sabihin na natin, hindi ka makapag-desisyon. You cannot do what you want because of this person. It's like this person is controlling your life, di ba? This person is tinatawag na merong, it's like meron siyang hawak ka ng tao na ito. That's why dito meron tinatawag na it's like setback, okay? It's about setback for some of you dito, ha? Okay? Kakaroon ng setback. So whatever is this, it's about tinatawag na taking control of your power, or it has something to do about your willpower. Maybe for some of you, kaya siguro lumabas itong tinatawag na the strength, di ba? Kasi meron ditong the strength. Yan, okay? So whatever is this, is like tinatawag taking control of your power, taking control of your ego, taking control of your life, di ba? So for some of you nakikita dito, it's like tinatawag you don't entertain. Okay? It's like this. Okay? Whatever is this, you don't entertain. Diba? Tinatawag na the moon. Because the moon is all about fantasy, illusion, diba? O yung tinatawag na loss, yan. So for some of you, maybe for some of you nakikita ko dito, yung tinatawag, you want to recover from loss. Maybe there is a loss, di ba? So nakikita dito, you want a new direction, a new path. Okay, maybe sabihin na natin, dahil lumabas dito ang tinatawag na the Ten of Cups. Okay, someone will feel your sadness, your life, di ba? The happiness. Yan, kumbaga dito nakikita, you want to build a life, a home with someone, or you want to build, okay, a career. That's why narito ito, di ba? It's like natawag na contemplate. You are contemplating. Yan ha, okay? So, yun lang ang nakikita ko. So, kumbaga dito, maaring sabihin na natin magkakaroon dito ng tinatawag na, okay, a contract, okay? Yan. So, yun ang nakikita ko po sa inyo, ha? So, it will make your life very, very happy, okay? So, it's a success waiting for you. A success waiting for you. If it's only you, okay? Only you can do this, okay? Only you can decide. Only you. Nasa iyo ang tinatawag na authority. Yeah, to make your life difference, para magbago. Be it your home, your money, savings, future, or a love relationship, starting or building a relationship. It has something to do about your career, di ba? Or tinatawag na pag-ibig. Thank you very much.